Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Engineers Academy. Today, we're going to discuss SQL interview question. Today's question, running total amount. We want to find a running, cumulative total of amount per salesperson ordered by sale date. Here is the SQL query used to solve the problem, and this is the expected output. Now let us build this in Snowflake environment. First, we create our sales table with 3 columns using create command, and if I execute this you will get sales table created successfully. Next we insert values into the sales table using insert into statement by specifying the columns in the sales table. And running this gives the total number of records inserted in the sales table are 4. And here is that you can see clearly. Now we will move on to query explanation. We select salesperson, sale_date, and amount, and then use a sum function combined with the over clause. This sum is partitioned by salesperson, meaning it restarts for every new person, and ordered by sale_date. When you combine sum with over and an order by inside a partition, instead of getting one total for the whole group, you get a cumulative, row by row total that keeps growing as you move through each person's sales in date order. We label this as running_total. Now I am executing this query and here is the output. For Asha, her running total starts at 100, then climbs to 250 after her second sale. For Ravi, it starts at 200, then reaches 300, each row building on the one before it, separately per salesperson. Thank you for watching this video. And for more details, contact Data Engineers Academy phone number